There we go. Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Port Charlotte. And today we're finishing up on the pond we revamped yesterday. This is what it looks like this morning. The customer was nice enough to get everything all running for us. And we've got everything in. Looks really nice. Nice and clear for them. I'll get the stuff to them on the for the pond vac. So that way there they can vacuum out the pond when it gets dirty in the bottom there. And we're about to put the fish in. There's a koi here, and there's the little ones right there, and then we've got some red platies in there that we're going to be putting in too for them. That'll help take care of the mosquitoes too. Well, I guess I wish I had a stand to be able to put this on so you can see what's going on, but we'll get back to you in just a minute. Bye-bye.